Hi dear friends, I am Dr. Bhavna Mittal. I am a gynecologist and obstetrician. So I am practicing in my own hospital, that is Shivam Surgical and Maternity Center in east of Delhi. Now getting pregnant, which seemed very simple earlier, has become a major task these days for ladies. Why is it so? Earlier we hear from our mothers, old aunts that they used to get pregnant every year and they would do all the household work and then have a very normal healthy delivery, and each of them had at least 4 to 5 to 6 babies. These days for a lady to have a normal single pregnancy has become a huge task. Why it is so is because our lifestyles, our values, our food habits are changing. So if at all you are pregnant or you are planning to be, then first thing to do is improve your lifestyle. You should concentrate on a good regime, good daily schedule, that is you should be getting an adequate sleep of 6 to 7 hours, having a normal bowel habit in the morning, doing at least 20 to 30 minutes light exercise per day, and a daily regime of diet which includes fruits, salads, antioxidants, vegetables, dals, and less of junk food and outside food. There are some indirect toxins like smoking, alcohol, which also harm our body. Nowadays, it is not uncommon even for females to be consuming alcohol or caffeine or smoking routinely. So if you are on the family way, you should avoid these things. Also, if you are taking some kind of medicines for something, then you should be sure of the content and that it does not interfere with getting pregnant or during pregnancy. Once you are pregnant, the first thing to do is conduct a urine pregnancy test. So if you have missed your period, you can yourself check it with a urine pregnancy kit, and if it is coming positive, you can visit your doctor. Also these days it is important to take a preconceptional visit, that before you ever think of getting pregnant, it's nice that you can visit the doctor. They can conduct some basic tests on you and your husband and be sure that both of you are healthy enough to carry pregnancy. After that, the doctor will put you on some medicines like folic acid. Now studies have shown that women who were on folic acid 3 months prior to getting pregnant did much better during pregnancy in terms of the health of the baby and the mother than the ones who did not take any medication. So you can be on some basic vitamins, supplements like folic acid before getting pregnant. Once you conceive and your test is showing positive, it's time to visit the doctor. This time the doctor will explain you the precautions which are to be taken during pregnancy. Also the doctor will check you from time to time in terms of your blood test, urine test, and the ultrasounds which are to be done during pregnancy. You may also be put on some supplements of iron, calcium, folic acid, or if required some hormones from time to time. Now I would like to remove some common myths which are there about pregnancy. People do fear that what should be the exact weight gain during pregnancy. Normally by American standards, the weight gain during pregnancy should be 10 to 13 kgs in the whole 9 months. So that gives us a target of around 1.5 kgs per month. Now this may not be even for everyone. So a lady may not gain for the first 3 months because of vomiting, and then she may gain 2 to 3 kgs a month later on. So the average comes out to be 1.5. So the average should be the same. It may not be even throughout the 9 months. For people who gain less weight, sometimes there is an issue with the growth of the baby. Similarly, people who gain more weight also have more tendency to develop blood pressure, diabetes, and other problems during pregnancy. So an ideal kind of weight gain is important. Second thing which is important is what you are gaining on. So you may be gaining this 1.5 kgs a month on junk food, on namkeens and unhealthy food, or you could be gaining on healthy food like proteins, eggs, fish, milk, dals, milk products, fruits, salads, soups. So one should be very careful on the choice of diet. Also avoid any kind of harmful preservatives or chemicals like Chinese food and all the chemicals which are there. You could have home prepared normal food which does not contain any of these artificial additives. Your normal healthy pregnancy, you are allowed to do your routine activities, but still you should avoid very heavy type of exertion and traveling. The second trimester of pregnancy, that is the 3rd to 6th month, is actually